Rheem RTGH-95DVLN 9.5 gallons per minute indoor direct vent tankless natural gas water heater. This model has intelligent electronic controls to help maximize energy efficiency. It includes a stainless steel condensing heat exchanger and is a sleek, compact design. The handy digital display shows both temperature settings and maintenance codes. Because this unit has a self-diagnostic system, it warns you ahead of time if anything is comprised or failing. This is a great feature for conveniency and safety. The installation is fairly simple, and the unit comes with very detailed instructions. One particularly noteworthy feature is that this gas tankless water heater has high altitude capability and freeze protection, so if you live in a cold climate or at a high elevation, this might be the tankless heater for you. Because it's low NOx, you can feel confident that you're doing your part for the environment. High-efficiency units like this one give you a cleaner burn and don't waste fuel. Pros: stainless steel heat exchanger, low NOx version, 94% energy efficient, intelligent electronic controls. Cons: difficult to install, somewhat noisy.